Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafowethu into ongayazi uNkulunkulu nawe ngeke ngingayenzi le video enganza kwethu ngeke ngiyeke ukuyenza mhlambe noma ngithi khona umuntu efuna ukumenzela noma khona umuntu engifuna ukumjabulisa uma ngisuke ngenza ama video ami ngisuke ngafuna ukujabulisa umuntu enganza kwethu so ke uma unenkinga nokulalela ivideo yami buyele eceleni nganza kwethu kodwa ngeke siyeke ukukhuluma ngobudedengu babantu esibazi bamalida bafowethu ake sibhekele le ndaba ephakathi kaMalema noNgizwe Mchunu indaba ephakathi kaJulius Malema noNgizwe Mchunu. Okay, yazi bengingemuhle kahle kade uMalema eqiqa inkantolo ethathwe i-AfriForum lapho khona uMalema owadubula khona isibhamu esibhekise phezulu. Sonke sazi ukuthi ku-illegal akukho emthethweni ukudubula isibhamu kwi-public. Kodwa ukuthi makagwetshwe ngangifisa ngaze ngaphumelela but yazi engathi ngahlawuliswa kunokuthi agwetshwe ejele. Nebala kuMalema weseni isigwebo wanikeza isigwebo once watholwa guilty, which means he is convicted. Julius Malema, he is convicted. And wagwetshwa ku-5 years ke kanjalo ngoba nonenazi ke waseke aphila uJulius Malema. Money talks, we all know. Now kuyadumaza ukuthi uJulius Malema umuntu osekhulume kangaka ngabantu ngamagama abantu esho zonke izinto akekho umuntu engimaziyo emhlabeni o-insulte abantu njengoJulius Malema. Hey, uba insultile futhi ngesikhathi samongameli uJacob Zuma. Hey, the man uyazi akamhloniphanga wambukela phansi umnumzana uJacob Zuma ngesikhathi even eParliament public. Now uMalema, a convicted man, is arresting umuntu. Let's make sure umuntu convicted umuntu convicted njengamanje ufaka uNgizwe ejele ufuna uNgizwe esejele. Nebhala-ke ngempela-ke ijaji-ke thizeni-ke sebekwenzile-ke asazi noma bakwenze ngokuqonda noma bakwenze ngamshopho ukuthi uMalema-ke njengamanje waphinde wabuyela enkantolo-ke futhi twice ephusha lento ukuthi uNgizwe umfuna esejele. Okay-ke uNgizwe-ke njengamanje iphumile i-warrant of arrest kaNgizwe kodwa kwenza bani kwenza uJulius Malema. Now inkinga yami-ke ila okay, kune-contempt of court there ukuthi uNgizwe wadalela inkantolo oshoda akafikanga nomyalelo wenkantolo akawulalelanga kanjani khona lokho. Kodwa nje the same person ekade simdabukela sithi no i-leader yezepolitiki eSouth Africa ufaka manje uNgizwe ejele. Uyayizwa into ngisho? Beside ukufaka uNgizwe ejele sisashaqekile ukwenza kaJulius Malema neqembu lakhe i-EFF ukuthi bona bancamela abantu abama-illegal foreigner badela abantu base-South Africa. Ungekwenza kanjani ukuthi udele izingane zakho ngomuntu wangaphandle? Udele iy'ngane zakho endlini yakho, your household, udele izingane ozizalayo ebese udefend umuntu wangaphandle uthathe iy'ngane zakho uyixhase ngaphandle. Iyafana lo nto eyenziwa uJulius Malema. Njengamanje la kuthiwa the illegal foreigners must go and sort their papers, and when you continue protecting them, you continue with all your narratives esingawazi. Ungasaqali futhi Julius Malema waqala kwidudula. Idudula yabona uNhlanhla Lux wadila noNhlanhla Lux very precise. It was iJulius Malema ne-EFF eyadila noNhlanhla Lux for idudula. Bavulela amacala nashona le. It was Julius Malema and EFF. Ilikunonisha-ke khona omnye umfana onentshetshanyana nje oke wakhuluma wasitshintsha enye ivideo yami la engangithi khona uMalema wayengakhulumi mangabe kukhona izinto ezenzakalayo kutholakala oma-drugs ukuthi angenile aqhamuka kuphi, wayengakhulumi ngoba lana makuthiwa bahambe ama-illegal because they busy selling drugs. They are drug smugglers. They doing all those things. Selling abantu, trafficking, all human trafficking, all those things. Now, nangena-ke nina wangena wona mfana futhi omunye khona umfana wangena wasititshela akasazi waphi isibongo wasititsha ividiyo yami mfana wazothi hayi kuzofuneke angiyivotelanga angikhulumi ngezokuvota zongithetha angiyivotelanga angihlali la ekhanda mina soze ayivotela i-FF ungangeni la uzothi kumina hayi awuyivotelanga i-FF wathi angikhulumi ngokuvota umuntu manje ningayifaki into umuntu asuke engakhulumi ngayo musani ukumixa the issues sibe silungisa izwe lethu olunakele ningene nizodefenda nibe ningekho strong for ukudefenda nidefende nento engadingi ukudefendwa. You can't defend umuntu oraping ingane zabantu. You can't defend umuntu obulala ingane zabantu ngama-drugs. You can't do that. If you do that, which means nawe you are equally yoked like them. Nawe uyisigebengu kanye nabo uma umdefenda. Wangena-ke efana ndini wazothi kumina angisakhumbuli sengikade ngicinga ngibheke ukuthi bani bengifuna ukuyisa direct ukuthi mawuphinde usitshintsha futhi ngibhekane nawe ngqo and ngakusendela i-email kwi-inbox wakho you never responded ukuthi listen ama-leader ezepolitiki eSouth Africa sizokhuluma ngawo whether uthanda ungathandi into eyangidina du yile nto yokuthi kumina uthi phuma nje kwi-FF phuma futhi uJulius Malema ngoba when the fighters will come for you come for who how Sanya come for who how ubani wanitshela ukuthi nina ama-fighters they are superior they are powerful they are powerful they will come for who kanjani kubani bazoza kuba kanjani ngayiphi indlela what are you talking about what were you referring to who you think I am mawuzongitshela ukuthi the fighters they will come for you you need to stop talking about uMalema blah sikhuluma ngawo wonke ama-leader ase-South Africa if you're doing bad you are a leader we will talk to you but don't come and say who will come for me fighters will come for me that's bullshit that must never happen hlukanani nokufuna ukusabisa abantu abakhuluma kahle nangikhuluma geopolitics and local politics but sikhuluma kahle ngalabantu and akukho la engithuka khona ngizange ngamthuka uMalema but against what akuvulwa amabhoda already stuck uthi akuvulwa amabhoda 2 udefend ama-illegal foreigners yet kunzima ngempela yena uthi hayi akufuneke bengahambi what blah 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 and nina masizokhuluma ngalezi zinto nizongena indaba yenu is not about abantu base-South Africa is about iqembu leni le-EFF that's nonsense is about your CIC that's nonsense and we will never stop about u-CIC wenu loyo but he is not akuyena umuntu nje ongaze ngempela be-first priority ukuthi sekuzofuneke-ke manje simbeke lapha simworship why to worship him why do we have to worship him so ungangeni ubusufuna ukuthi hayi stop talking about this listen you are in South Africa we leader in South Africa nami ngiyi-leader erepresenta iphathi yase-South Africa kuyokhulunywa ngami uma ngabe ngingenzi kahle nawe uma uyi-leader yase-South Africa ungenzi kahle kuyokhulunywa siyakhuluma ngomnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa yabo izolo lokhu bengikhuluma ngondunankulu wamaZulu uthole sizobuthelisa akekho umuntu ongene kumina ozothi hey the IFP will come for you stop lokhu ngoba uyivotelanga IFP akekho uma ngikhuluma nge-ANC akekho za kumina ukuthi awuyivotelanga akekho wenza njalo so ukuthatha many people will come who are the fighters are the Adam who are the fighters are the lawmakers are the i-army bengazi mina ama-fighters ama-supporters i-FF ayi-army angazi noma ephuma eRussia noma ephuma eMelika noma ephuma e-Iran noma ephuma but didn't know that but stop trying to put fear and trying to scare people kuma inbox and even stinge my video and talk nonsense stop that if you want to talk to me please write down your email. I've got even my email there. Or go to my inbox and write your story. Ubuze ukuthi wedwa umkhambi ngisuka kuphi ngiya kuphi. Rather than stinging my video, uzokhuluma uthi hey baba, what you don't know is bigger than you, but indlela okhuluma ngayo blah 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 blah. No. Use your common sense. If you lack common sense and if you lack humanity, don't come to me. Don't play around. But it is wrong what Julius Malema is doing against Ungizwe. It is wrong. If you are a powerful politician, don't go and open Nonsense case.
This man right here is calling out Julius Malema because now he feels the situation between Ngizwe Mchunu and Julius Malema is just getting out of hands. And I've seen so many people saying the very same thing, what Julius Malema have done. So many things have said bad things about so many people. And, nothing hectic have happened. So why is he doing the same thing to Ngizwe Mchunu, which doesn't make any sense? And he's also talking about this whole gender of his sentencing and, why is he still outside? Because we all know that he was convicted, right? We all know that he was convicted, but why is he still outside? And today he have got the power to do the same thing that was done to him. The very same pain that happened to him, he's now causing it to Ngizwe Mchunu, which really does not make any sense. For me, I feel like the reason why Julius Malema stood his ground and felt the need to take action is because Ngizwe Mchunu was saying things that defamatory, things that are not good. That's just my take. Things that are not good. That's why he had to stand up, because remember, Julius Malema is a husband, is a father. He have got kids, he have got a wife, and his reputation is being destroyed by people out there. I feel like Ngizwe should learn a lesson and not say everything outside, like on camera. He must learn to keep quiet and keep other things to himself, just like Uphakela Mthakathi. Uphakela Mthakathi, you will never hear him saying such things. You will never, because he knows the side effects of that. So I feel like Ngizwe Mchunu should also learn from Uphakela Mthakathi and leave other things alone.